The legend of the Stinger evolves. Welcome to the future of grand touring. This is the all-new 2027 Kia EV8, a 600 horsepower statement of intent. For years, enthusiasts mourned the departure of the Kia Stinger. But Kia wasn't quitting the segment, they were reinventing it. Codenamed GT1, the EV8 is the first to debut on the next-generation M platform. Unlike the current eGMP found in the Kia EV6, this integrated modular architecture is designed specifically to maximize range and high-speed stability, positioning the EV8 as the brand's flagship performance sedan. The numbers are, quite frankly, staggering. The top-tier dual-motor configuration is projected to deliver a massive 603 horsepower. That's more punch than the EV6 GT, catapulting this executive sedan into the realm of elite super saloons. But it's not just about raw speed. Kia is engineering this with a sophisticated electronic suspension system to ensure it handles the corners as gracefully as it eats up the miles on the Autobahn. Range anxiety becomes a thing of the past here. The EV8 is expected to house a colossal 113.2 kWh battery pack, one of the largest in its class. Early estimates suggest a driving range of up to 800 kilometers, approximate 500 miles, on the WLTP cycle. Thanks to the advanced 800-volt system, you can expect charging speeds that will take you from 10 to 80% in under 18 minutes at a compatible DC fast charger. Inside, expect a minimalist, tech-heavy cockpit featuring sustainable luxury materials and Kia's latest autonomous driving suite. Set to enter production in late 2026, the EV8 isn't just a car, it's Kia's bid to challenge the European elite. It combines the soul of a grand tourer with the efficiency of tomorrow. The 2027 Kia EV8. The wait is almost over. Is this the electric sedan you've been waiting for? Subscribe for more updates as we head toward the global launch.